I'm learning for my country. I'm learning how to live. I'm learning for my future. I'm learning how to give.
Hello, my name is Victor. I'm the teacher for this class, Young Learners Movers.
Hello, my name is Anne. I get up at 6:30.
Hello, my name is Queen. I'm watch TV at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Hello, my name is Mia. I have a shower at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Hello, I'm here. I go to the bed at 11 o'clock.
Hello, my name is. I brush my hair at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Hello, my name is. I go to school at the 8 o'clock in the morning.
Hello, my name is Quang. I'm clean my shoe at the 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Hello, my name is Phúc. I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Hello, my name is Dung. I have lunch at 12 o'clock.